This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. If you want QuickBooks to pay and file your payroll taxes for you, you'll need to complete a few tasks to verify your account numbers and e-sign some important authorization forms. Before you start, you'll need your federal and state ID numbers and your principal officer on hand to answer some questions. Let's go over how to finish your setup. To begin, go to Payroll, then Overview. Note, your navigation may look like this. From Get Set Up for Tax Payments and Filings, select Start. QuickBooks is set to automatically pay and file your taxes and forms for you. If you want to pay and file your taxes yourself, select Change Payment and Filing Preference. Select Next. Confirm or enter your federal and state tax ID numbers. If you still don't have these, you will need to pay and file your taxes on your own until you provide them to QuickBooks. Select Next. For the next section, you'll need your principal officer. First, make sure their first and last name is correct. Select Confirm. Next, enter the principal officer's mobile phone number. Select Continue. QuickBooks will send a security code to this number. Enter the code and select Confirm. You'll be asked a question associated with the principal officer. Choose a correct answer and select Continue. Now you're ready to e-sign your authorization forms. These forms allow QuickBooks to pay and file your taxes for your business. To review each form, select the links provided. When you're ready, select the checkbox and then Done. QuickBooks will start getting your account set up for online tax payments and filings. Once you're all set, QuickBooks will let you know. Until then, you're responsible for making on-time payments and filings. Select Sounds Good. Now your setup is done. Nice work.